Following the suspension of the appeal sittings at the appellate courts in Nyeri, Mombasa and Kisumu, lawyers in the affected areas now want an amicable solution to be arrived at, given that the decision to suspend will leave many Kenyans stranded. The move to suspend the sittings was announced by the Court of Appeal President Justice William Ouko on Thursday, who cited shortage of judges.
Since the official opening of the Mombasa Court of Appeal on 12th April 2019, some walls in this building have never had any appeal cases arguments, nor the benches offered space for hopeful litigants. This as the court in Malindi will hear the cases, as was the norm before the Mombasa Court of Appeal was set up. But just a week after the Mombasa Appellate Court was put into use, the suspension of the sittings in the court has hit hard.
It is a decision that was taken without any consultation at all. It doesn't take into consideration the needs of the people within that region. If the Chief Justice feels that there are a shortage of judges, he can allocate some of those judges to be sitting within the regions. We are quite happy to have judges sitting in Mombasa, those same judges going to Nyeri on a rotational basis that we are quite aware of.
According to Nyabena, the move to have the cases heard in Nairobi is unfair, given that the cost would have to be borne by the litigants, a matter his counterparts in Nyeri and Kisumu, who have also been affected, agree with.
Personally, I think that right now we have at least 15 from a law firm pending applications and appeals that are going to be affected.
We are looking at criminal appeals, which are numerous, especially from this area. We are looking at land matters and other civil appeals. So the effect will be drastic. And the rules of justice, as far as that court is concerned, have literally stopped turning.
The appellate courts in Mombasa, Nyeri and Kisumu serve several counties each. Mombasa Court of Appeal serves at least 6 counties: Kwale, Taita Taveta, Tana River, Kilifi, Lamu and Mombasa itself. The Nyeri Court of Appeal serves 8 counties: Laikipia, Meru, Isiolo, Kirinyaga, Murang'a, Embu, Tharaka Nithi and Nyeri, with that in Kisumu serving at least 14 counties: Kericho, Bomet, Kisii, Nyamira, Migori, Homa Bay, Siaya, Kakamega, Bungoma, Vihiga, Busia, Trans Nzoia, Uasin Gishu and Kisumu.
The Nairobi Court of Appeal is going to be clogged with work, and that is going to interfere with access to justice.
The move to suspend the sittings in the 3 appellate courts and having them heard in Nairobi was influenced by the shortage of judges. And even after the Judicial Service Commission nominated 41 judges, 11 of whom were to bridge the gap in the Court of Appeal, President Uhuru Kenyatta is yet to appoint the judges. An issue Alan Gishuhi, the president of the Law Society of Kenya, says needs to be looked into, stating, "When we amend the constitution, we need a mechanism that the minute a judge is appointed by JSC, there needs to be a strict window to when they will be appointed and sworn in by the president. The same way we have when it comes to matters acts of parliament."
This fight, we need to rise above partisanship. We need these 2 institutions to sit together, resolve any issues for the benefit of the common mwananchi who is suffering.
What happens next after the list of nominated judges was rejected will be decided by the court in early February. Raquel Mugai, Citizen TV.